For the W movement, like water, we're going to hold up 3 fingers in the shape of a W, and we're going to make water trickling down. Now, this sound gets clipped. There's no schwa on the end. We don't say wa, we say W. 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 Or we can say it short. W. W. I want you to try it long 2 times. Great. Let's try it again together 2 times long. W. W. Very good. Now we're going to try it short. So you're going to say W. W. You try it 2 times short. Great. Let's do it short again 2 times. W. W. Great job, everyone.